Greetings from Ukraine. My name is Tetiana Vazhinska and this is my motivation video for Sheep of World's Young Leaders program. I am a graphic designer and artist. Most of all, I love to create something with my own hands. Will it be an image or identity for a brand, design of a magazine, educational infographic or presentation, or an artwork? I'll put all my knowledge and imagination to make them visually appealing, noticeable and easy to understand. I'm curious and love to learn about many areas of life. This year I graduated Kharkiv State Design and Art Academy with specialist degree. Aside from design, I also studied fine arts, art history, marketing and management, wrote research papers and participated in sports events. With art, I have a great opportunity to express my ideas, emotions and my viewpoint about various things using different artistic techniques. I participated in different ecological projects, artistic projects, competitions and exhibitions, carried out lectures of drawing, and many others. I enjoy working in a team, generating ideas and making design concepts. Studying about other cultures and languages and finding similarities with Ukrainian has always been a source of my inspiration. I'm especially interested in Japanese culture for about 10 years, and it's about 2 years I learned Japanese language by myself and with a tutor.
私は日本語や日本の伝統的な文化あるいは近代的技術などにずっと興味を持っていました。しかし私の国にあまり日本人がいないので会話練習がなく日本語の勉強は少し難しいと思います。
That's why I'm so excited to share my native Ukrainian culture and my ideas with the world.
Let's create something great together on the Sheep for World Youth Leaders. いろいろな素晴らしいものを一緒に作りましょう。
Thank you for attention.